Hey, if you searched Photoshop crack, I'm gonna save you some time. Every single one of those is malware. Not most of them, all of them. So here's what actually works. Adobe has an official 21-day trial. Full version, all the AI features, and 0 viruses. And if you wanna keep it after, I'll show you how to pay 2.5 times less than the listed price. Absolutely legally. Look, you get 7 days free, cancel before day 8, and Adobe will usually throw in extra days just to keep you. But even if you forget and get charged, you still have 14 days to get a full refund. So either way, you're covered.
All right, click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the official Adobe website. Hit free trial. You'll see a few plans. If you only need Photoshop, select that one. If you want every Creative Cloud app, go with Creative Cloud. If you're a student or a teacher, there's a separate tab for that. Over 70% off. Just verify with your university email. For teams or businesses, the business plan is right there. I'll go with the individual plan. They'll offer you an Adobe stock trial. Skip it or take it, up to you. Enter your email, then your card details. Nothing gets charged for 7 days, and if you change your mind, you have 14 days to get a full refund. Create a password, click Complete Account, and you'll land on the installation page. Select the app, and the download starts automatically. Hit continue and wait for Creative Cloud to download. Go to Apps and you'll see Photoshop installing. Once it's done, open it up. Everything works, including all the AI features.
Need to cancel your subscription? I made a full video on that. Link in the card up here, or in the description.
If this video helped you out, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. See you next time.